Welcome to this raised ranch here in Berea, Kentucky, set on just over an acre that feels calm, private, and tucked away. From the front, you can see the easy parking, attached garage, and a huge yard that really opens everything up. Step into the living room with me. It's bright, cozy, and the kind of space where you can actually relax at the end of the day. Just off the living room, the dining area flows right into the kitchen, so cooking, conversations, and everyday life can all stay connected. Down the hall, the bedrooms are tucked away from the main living areas, which keeps this part of the home feeling quiet and peaceful. The primary bedroom has its own entry into the full bath, so it functions like a simple, everyday retreat. Two more main level bedrooms give you options for guests, an office, or a hobby room, whatever fits your best life. If we head downstairs, the finished lower level is where the versatility really starts to flow. You'll also find another bedroom down here with a walk in closet that houses the washer and dryer, keeping laundry handy but out of sight. There's a large bonus room that could be a second living room, a game room, a media space, or even a potential fifth bedroom if you need more sleeping space. Now let's step out into the back deck. This is where the setting really shines. If this feels like your kind of place, reach out today for more info or to set up a private showing of your own.